Hello everyone, welcome back to Blockchain Training webinar. My name is Fu Chendong. Thank you for joining us again. The topic of this session is one of the most popular blockchain applications, cryptocurrency. I'm going to introduce what is cryptocurrency, how the cryptocurrency works, and what is the value of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency designed to work as the medium of exchange in blockchain network, which is not reliant on any central authority, such as government or bank. Cryptocurrency underpins the decentralized financial system, where you can save, lend, borrow, earn interest, buy insurance, and more. Based on cryptocurrencies, all the activities of traditional financial system can be replicated in decentralized finance, or DeFi. Bitcoin and Ethereum are two of the most popular cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin was the first DeFi application in many ways. As we have learned, Bitcoin network was introduced by Nakamoto. According to Nakamoto's design, the Bitcoin will be generated as a reward for the miners to create the block. The first block will generate 50 Bitcoins, and after every 210,000 blocks, the number of Bitcoin generated for each block is halved. Now the Bitcoin network is in its third circle of halving. The maximum amount of Bitcoin is 21 million. As of October 2022, more than 90 million of Bitcoins have been generated already. As a cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has three characteristics. The first one is that Bitcoin will only be generated as a block reward. No block, no new Bitcoins. The second one is that Bitcoin supply is increasing, although the rate of growth will be slower and slower. The last one is that Bitcoin has no destructive mechanism. Once generated, Bitcoin won't go away. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum uses a different mechanism. Before it launched, Ethereum started pre-sale. When the first block, also known as the Genesis block, was created, there were 72 million Ether have been generated and allocated to buyers. As we know, Ethereum used proof-of-work consensus before September 15, 2022. In this period, 2 to 5 Ether per block will be generated as the reward for the miner. But after Ethereum merged to proof-of-stake consensus, there's no block reward anymore. New Ether will be only generated for the validator's deposit interest. The APR, annual percentage rate, is about 4% now. As of October 2022, the total Ether in the market is about 122 million. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum has a destruction mechanism. For each transaction to execute on the Ethereum, a minimum fee, known as a base fee, must be paid by the user. But this fee gets burned during the transaction process, removing from the circulation. That means the total amount of the Ether in the market will not increase forever, and at some point, it might even decrease. In this way, Ethereum maintains the balance of inflation and deflation. But the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum is volatile, make Bitcoin and Ethereum unsuitable for everyday transactions. For example, in 2010, someone bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. At that time, they were worth about $41. But in today's market, that's millions of dollars. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies without the volatility. They share the same power as Bitcoin, but their value is steady, more like a traditional currency. Normally, the value of the stablecoin is roughly $1. Stablecoin maintains value steady by backed asset. Some stablecoins are fiat-backed. That means you use your fiat currency to purchase a stablecoin, and you can later redeem for your original currency. For example, USDC is one of the most famous fiat-backed stablecoin. Some stablecoins are crypto-backed. That means you use crypto assets like Ether to purchase the stablecoins. For example, DAI is one of the most famous crypto-backed stablecoins. And some stablecoins are precious metals backed, like gold, to maintain their value. How to get and use cryptocurrencies? First, you must get a wallet. A wallet is an app of storing the cryptocurrencies. There are many wallets in the market for different operating systems and devices. You can easily find a wallet based on the features you want. Second, you can get cryptocurrencies in different ways. For example, get reward for being a miner, buying cryptocurrencies from centralized or decentralized exchanges. And then you can use your cryptocurrencies. For example, signing for fiat currency, buying assets in physical world, or buying digital assets in digital world. Next, I'm going to take an example of how DeFi and cryptocurrencies work together and benefit for investors. Just like in the real world, you can borrow money from a bank by mortgaging assets such as a house. You also can mortgage your crypto assets, such as Ether, to lend stablecoins, such as DAI. And then the stablecoins can be used for anything, including buying more crypto or trading it for fiat. For example, MakerDAO is an open source project on the Ethereum and a decentralized autonomous organization created in 2014. One of its products is the CDP, Collateralized Debt Position, which allows users to lock crypto assets as collateral to generate DAI. Users can generate up to 2/3 of the value of their collateral. CDP is actually a smart contract running on Ethereum. It works like a loan. Let's assume you have one Ether in your wallet worth $150. You open a CDP by deposit one Ether as collateral, and then the CDP will generate 100 DAI, 2/3 of the value of one Ether, in your wallet as a debt. If you decide to close the CDP, you return 100 DAI to the CDP. Additionally, you have to pay a stability fee for generating DAI and closing CDP, like interest. And then the CDP will be closed. One Ether is then returned to your wallet. As you can see, decentralized finance is actually the result of cryptocurrencies and smart contracts working together. Through blockchain and smart contract, cryptocurrency could be used in many scenarios, such as insurance, commerce, funds, global trading, and so on, in decentralized way. That's all for this session. Let me make a summary. There is a booming crypto economy where everybody can lend, borrow, earn interest, and more without centralized agencies. Cryptocurrencies underpin the infrastructure of decentralized financial system, which meets the economic requirements in digital world and is changing the economic behavior of us. Thank you for watching and see you next time.